cup right here. We have 4 cups. It says 4 of us. My dad, Omi, and me, and Mama. Let's start. First, we're gonna add our cream and milk. Now we're gonna mix it and make it big, foamy with cream. Let's make it. Now it's done with whipping. Now we're gonna 1 scoop of fresh mangoes. Now we're gonna add again this. Now let's add our mangoes again. Now let's add this again. Now we're gonna add our sprinkles to that. Now let's add some of the chocolate sprinkles. This is how it's done when it's done. Hey guys, now that this is how they are done when it's ready. This is mine and this is my brother's.